Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain problem on iPhone after update iOS 17.4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Disable the app privacy report. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. On the privacy page, scroll down, tap on app privacy report. On the app privacy report page, scroll down, turn off app privacy report. Select OK to confirm. Solution number 2. Enable auto lock. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. On the brightness page, scroll down, tap on auto lock. On the auto lock page, select 30 seconds. Solution number 3. Turn off keyboard haptics. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap sound and haptics. On the haptic page, scroll down, tap on keyboard feedback. On the keyboard page, turn off sound and haptics. Solution number 4. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn on low power mode. Thanks for watching this video.